this video, we will now see how to draw a simple mandala right from the beginning till the end. Now I'm going to find the center of this page. So if you want to know how to find the center of the page, I have put another video in the same channel. The title is Drawing Circles for Mandalas. You can see that video. See, now if you see, the center of the page is ready, and now going to draw circles. So we'll now draw the grids for this mandala. So I'm starting to do this by drawing a line in the center, and then I'm going to divide this into 12 divisions. So which means every 30 degree I need to mark, and I'm making sure this 0 and 180 falls on the line, so that I can be sure of the angles. So now I'm marking 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330 and 360. Let me show you closely. So here is 0, 30, 60, 90 and all the other dots that I have been keeping. Now let us join these dots, connect the dots basically, so that the measurements grids are made. If you see, now the grids are made, measurements are done, so we can start drawing mandala. So let's start drawing the pattern from the innermost circle. I always follow this pattern. So from innermost to outermost circle, that's how I draw. So let's start doing that. Some simple petals. This is what I'm going to do. So if you look at the innermost circle is done. Okay, so now there would be a lot of space here, so I'm just going to draw some fillers, some simple fillers. It need not be a complicated one, a simple one. So now the first one, innermost circle is done. We'll draw patterns in this circle. We will now fill the patterns in this circle now. See how I have drawn. I have taken 2 grids, and from one end of the left side grid I have started drawing the pattern, and here the same way. So now the circle having 12 divisions, 12 grids basically, you will be able to draw 6 of these petals. So once you finish drawing the initial sketch, your mandala should look like this. Now again, there is a space here, I'm going to fill it up with a pattern. I'll show you what to do now. So we will now fill in the pattern. So in this circle, we would draw a line here. I'll just show you. And then one more line. Right? And then we'll connect it here. Something like this. This is how it should look like. So once you complete, again there will be 6 times you would be filling in here. So here in this place and then here. So in all these 6 places you will have the same pattern. See, once you fill in the pattern, your mandala should look like this. I think the mandala is getting a shape now. It looks beautiful. So we would now fill in the pattern in this circle. We drew lotus flower pattern in the outermost circle. Now if you see, we have drawn the same pattern all over the outermost circle and the mandala is complete now. This sketch pen, I am now going to draw the outline for this mandala. Now that the mandala is drawn fully and also outlined, the pencil traces need to be completely erased so that your mandala looks much more neat. Let us erase all the pencil traces now. So we would now draw the border, very simple border. I am just going to draw the lines, nothing more. When a border is drawn, mandala looks complete. Once you draw the double border lines, you can fill in any pattern within the border lines as you like, and you can also paint them. What I generally do is to paint them in plain.